2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, cruise control, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, fog lights, brake assist, daytime running lamps, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.